Currently right now it's 10:37. Almost no one outside, so we got a couple things to do. Now I want to talk to you about where the car has been. I've actually had several issues with the car. It's been sitting for a while. Yeah, I haven't posted, I haven't been driving the car really. Most of you guys have asked for outside clip of the car, of the exhaust, a flyby or whatever. So I finally got the chance to do it, and I'm gonna insert the clips right here. As you can hear, it's pretty good. I'm trying to get you guys, I have my windows open, so I'm trying to see if you guys can hear the car when it's driving, whatever. I am planning on going with 2 more resonators in the back, just so I can get rid of some drone. Heard that? Oh man, I told you this thing pops. Like, sometimes it's loud, sometimes it's not, but damn, I just noticed. Gotta get some gas. So, green light. Let's stop by racetrack real quick. If this guy goes, damn. Yeah, I gotta get some gas so I can be able to drive and go places, man. Can't go anywhere on fumes. Just stay here, number 20, whatever. Let's go. Gotta get my gloves. Yeah, how you gonna put me gas with the cap on? What the hell? Yeah, I gotta wash the car. When I'm 85, those pictures though. You know, that sounded that sounded so dope. Oh, I love this car, man. Oh, I wish it was a 6-speed. Oh my god, why? Wait, don't break though. Don't break, please don't. I don't have money right now to fix you. But yeah, you guys heard that. That was dope. The reason why you haven't seen the car for like what, a month or a little over a month, it was just sitting there. I mean, the pump from the dealership is about $500, so you know you can almost get a set of coilovers for that. Each axle pretty much are like what, $250, but I got another deal on those, so probably pay like about $100 less on each. But then installing the hose, and that was a pain in the butt. And you know, these cars are very bad to work on because like the minimal space that you have, your hand can't even fit through the damn engine bay to get some hoses in the back. But yeah, you know, mechanics charge a lot, so all that, you know, imagine 200 here, 200 there, 500 here, it goes up pretty quick. But yeah, I mean, I got 2 new axles, new pumps, whatever, hoses, so it's all good now. Next thing is a 6-speed. But yeah, ooh, that's a nice Camry. Yo, the new Camrys, like I was at the dealership the other day, I was looking at a couple cars. I even saw a Supra. That shit looks dope. It looks nice, even better in person than in pictures. Damn, that CVT though, I think it's overheating. Oh, we're catching the Camry. Nah, but like I was saying, let's drive it like a regular person. I don't want my shit to blow up. But like I was saying, the new Camry, yo, oh man, it's so nice. Like I was at the dealership the other day, and you know, I was with my girlfriend, whatever, and they had her test drive one, and we actually test drove it together. It's just so refined. Like, why would you get a Lexus? Like, I mean, look at that. I don't know if you guys can hear my exhaust with the windows up. Yeah, it's like, what? Oh, by the way, how many of you guys get 16.7 miles per gallon? Woohoo! No, I'm just kidding. That is one of my sensor hits out, so that's why my light is on. It's a sensor. So my car is running, I think, rich when it takes more gas than air. I don't know, but yeah, a tune can fix that. But like I said, my car was down, and I had to fix that before I could do anything. But yeah, 16.7 miles per gallon. Anyways, let's see. I just put gas, so 87. No, that's not right. It feels hot though, man. Florida, it feels hot as hell. Come here. Look at that sun. Nah, I mean, no, being in Florida is crazy. Oh look, there's the car you want to test drive, the RAV4 in black too. I really like the car. Yeah, guys, I was just trying to give you an update of, you know, where the car's been, what I haven't posted. Car was down, so, but now we're back. I'm trying to find some, I don't know, I feel like I want to race. I'm trying to find some races. There's a Nissan Sentra. I believe it's a 6-speed. It's a manual. The turbo version, it's tuned, but I've seen it run, and I think that I can beat him. If not, it'll be a good run though. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Thank you for tuning in, and